Welcome back to Better Health, Wellness and Fitness. In this video, we reveal effective tips and exercises designed to help you eliminate unwanted fat and tone those tricky areas. Whether you're looking to feel more confident in sleeveless tops or simply want to improve your overall physique, our expert advice will guide you through the best strategies to achieve your goals, so you can say goodbye to arm jiggle and back fat for good. Before we slim down the details, make sure you join our virtual gym by clicking the like button and subscribing to our growing community of health seekers. You get access to our free health tips, workout routines, superfoods and more. Thank you. Did you know that over 70% of women and a significant number of men struggle with what we call arm jiggle and back fat? Yeah, it's a real thing. If you're watching this, you might be one of them, and let's be honest, that can be super frustrating. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Today, we're diving into the world of arm jiggle and back fat. We're going to explore why it happens and, more importantly, how you can tackle it head-on. Feeling confident in your skin is vital, not just for your self-esteem but also for your overall health. Now, let's talk about why arm jiggle and back fat are common issues. First off, lifestyle plays a huge role. Many of us lead pretty sedentary lives, sitting at desks for hours or binge watching our favorite shows. All that sitting can lead to muscle weakening in the arms and back, which can cause that jiggle we all want to avoid. Another factor is diet. Eating too many processed foods can lead to weight gain, especially in those stubborn areas. And let's not forget about the misconceptions surrounding weight loss. Many people think doing endless cardio is the key, but actually, strength training is crucial for toning those areas. So, if you've been thinking that you just need to run more, it might be time to rethink your strategy. Alright, now that we know the problem, let's get into some practical tips and exercises that can help tone those arms and back. Losing arm and back fat involves a combination of strength training, cardio exercises, and a healthy diet. For adults over 40, focusing on exercises that build muscle, improve metabolism, and are gentle on the joints is key. Here are some effective exercises. Strength training. Number 1. Push-ups. Great for arms, shoulders, and upper back. You can modify them by doing them on your knees or against a wall. Number 2. Dumbbell rows, targets the upper back and arms. Use light to moderate weights and focus on form. Number 3. Tricep dips, targets the back of the arms. You can do these on a chair or bench. Number 4. Lat pull-downs, excellent for the back. You can use a resistance band or a machine at the gym. Number 5. Bicep curls, strengthens the front of the arms. Use dumbbells or resistance bands. Number 6. Plank variations, strengthens the core, back, and arms. Side planks are particularly good for the obliques and shoulders. Cardio exercises. Number 1. Swimming, low impact, full body workout that targets the arms and back. Number 2. Rowing, excellent for upper body strength and cardio. Number 3. Jump rope, engages the arms and shoulders while providing a good cardio workout. Number 4. Brisk walking or hiking with arm movements, incorporate arm swings or use light hand weights. Flexibility and recovery. Number 1. Yoga, focuses on strength, flexibility, and relaxation. Poses like downward dog and plank are great for the arms and back. Number 2. Pilates, strengthens the core, back, and arms while improving flexibility. Number 3. Consistency, aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week. Number 4. Diet, combine these exercises with a balanced diet to maximize fat loss. Number 5. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially as you age. Number 6. Rest. Ensure adequate rest between workouts to avoid injury and allow muscle recovery. These exercises, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can help reduce arm and back fat effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more fitness tips and tricks. Together, we can crush these goals and achieve better health.